Hi everyone. Oh my goodness, it's been a while. It's been a while. I'm happy to be sharing a new video with you all. Welcome to my existing subscribers and welcome to my new subscribers. I appreciate you all for being here and subscribing to my channel. So today I am creating my very first vanity tray. This will be on the bedroom dresser as part of, little decoration ambiance for the bedroom so it doesn't look so boring. So I started off with this small rectangular geoid mold from Lowly Beffy, and I just put me just a little thin layer of resin down so that way whenever I drop the resin that was mixed with my color, it would be smooth, be able to move it without any issues and just get to the project. And so I'm spreading it all out to make sure that I'm getting resin in all of the creases, the little corners, because again, as you can see, it's not just a regular straight edge. It has little divots in there. So I just want to make sure that all of the resin was able to get into those little rivets and little jagged little edges throughout the mold. So therefore, it could just be a simple and easy project because this was my first time doing one, so I didn't want to screw it up. So again, welcome back to y'all and to me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the freeze frame of the pigment that I'm using by Armor Art. I got it from Counterculture DIY, and this is their white. Now, for whatever reason, this white was giving me the business as far as getting out of the bottle. I was shaking it up, I was beating on it. You will see me in a little bit going to town just trying to like shake it up to try to get it to move. See, there it go right there. Nah, Captain, it wasn't happening. So yeah, I'm doing it. I'm with it, but it still just did not happen. So I end up having to take the whole little top part out of it and just pour it into my cup. And so now I'm getting it all stirred up. I got that poured in. I should have the blue one poured in by now, and just getting everything mixed up and adding another layer, because that, not actually another layer, so I don't know if you can see it, but there's little holes that were like when I went to spread it all out that didn't get filled up. So I'm just filling in those holes just to make sure everything's good to go before I pour. All right, the time has come. It is time to pour it on. All right, so we are back. It is the next day, I believe, and that first layer has cured. As you can see in the middle, it didn't all pull together like it was doing from the sides. As it starts to pull in, that caused my middle end up curing faster than the edges. So what I'm gonna do is put a solid blue bottom on it because I don't like the way that look. I mean, that just, it doesn't look completed to me. So therefore, I'm gonna complete it. I didn't know how much resin I was gonna need, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough. So I pre-mixed the regular resin, and then I will be dropping in the blue, getting that all mixed up and stirred up, and showing you guys how I laid it all on. So enjoy this part as well. Okay, since the video cut out, here's the end results of the tray. I'm loving how it turned out. I hope you do too. And I hope you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, make sure you crush that subscribe button, drop me a comment, share, and like. Here's some bonus pics of the end results of the tray, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.